Welcome back to origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this origami tulip. All you're gonna need are 2 pieces of square paper, glue, some kind of a stick to roll the petals, and scissors. And we'll start by folding the smaller piece of the paper. We'll fold it on both diagonals. And we'll also fold it in both halves. Next, we'll open our paper and we'll bring all 4 of the corners into the center. Once you have it, press the sides of the paper down really firmly. And now we'll fold our paper in half. So we'll bring this side over like this. And again, we'll fold it in half. Just like this. Now we'll open the top layer, we'll stick our finger into a pocket and press it down so that we have a diamond shape. Turn our paper around and do the same on the other side. Just like this. Now we'll turn this side of the paper upwards and we'll bring the sides of the paper in, but we will not bring them directly towards the center. We'll bring them a little bit lower so that we have a little bit of angle here. And do the same on the other side. And now turn your paper around and repeat the same step on this side, but you can help with the line down there so that it's symmetrical. Just like this. Now we'll turn this side of the paper over and also do the same step downwards. So we have a full side of the paper facing upwards. And we'll fold this bottom line of the paper. We will start in this corner and we'll fold here 1/2 centimeter up. Just like this, and really press it down firmly. And do the same on the other side. And turn your paper around and fold these bottom sides the same way. Like this. Now we'll take our scissors and we'll cut off just a few millimeters from this point. like this, so that we have a hole down there, and we will slide our finger into the petals and we will bring the sides outwards. So we will open it, bring all of the sides outwards, really push them. And once all of the sides are facing outwards, you will take your stick and roll the petals a little bit outwards. Like this. And we'll start by folding the bigger paper. We will fold it in a diagonal. And now we'll fold these sides of the paper inwards. Press it down. Do the same with the other side. And now we'll bring the bottom sides into the center line. Just like this. In next step, we'll bring these bottom sides of the paper again to the center line. And now we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold this point up to this point. So we'll fold it in half. Like this. Now we'll fold it again in half, so fold it inwards. And now just slide this back layer, open it a little bit outwards so it rolls, and adjust it so that it has a nice roll. Like this. Once you're happy with it, I will just adjust it a little bit. Once you're happy with it, we will add a little bit of glue on this point of the paper, and then we'll slide it into the flower, or you can just stuck it in, and we have our tulip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is a perfect gift for Mother's Day.